As per our ongoing Cronos cost forecast, the worth of Cronos will expanded by 221.22%, coming to 29 cents by end of 2025 incredibly. All specialized markers fundamentally show that the ongoing opinion basically is bullish while the trepidation and avarice list is perusing 28.44, and that implies kind of intense apprehension. Our Cronos estimate, its purchase Cronos at the present time, on February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while sort of different markers flagged negative signs, showing a for the most part broad bullish opinion among Cronos cost expectations, or so they thought. See the specific Cronos cost forecast beneath. You will truly know the amount Cronos basically is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Cronos has diminished by 2.02% in an unobtrusive manner. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a very slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Cronos expanded by 111.18% and came to approach around 17 cents. Presently, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness file in every way that really matters shows 28.44 fundamentally intense apprehensions, in spite of mainstream thinking. As indicated by our estimate, this really isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Cronos, which is very critical. Presently, Cronos generally is exchanging underneath the 200 especially basic moving normal. For the most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA certainly has shown a Cronos purchasing essentially signal. The cost of Cronos generally is at present running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal SMA, and it shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will really hit $0.0920 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Cronos' transient 50-day SMA especially shows a $0.0764. The general strength list, RSI, force oscillator, essentially is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency truly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI especially is right now at Ursivalu. This shows that the CRO market is in a nonpartisan situation in an unpretentious way. Cronos CRO value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Cronos came to $0.0826 when it really dipped under $0.0557. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Cronos most certainly is en route to passing the 17 cents mark before the current year is over. Before 17 cents, it might really break its characteristic of 97 cents and generally reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cronos will break its past all-time extremely high of 97 cents and hold somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 17 cents soon. At this point, on 25 February 2023, Cronos is exchanging at $0.0789, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 21.29 M. And it certainly makes number 33 money in the entire crypto world. Cronos value expectation 2024 there in every practical sense is plausible that Cronos can get through the 20 cents hindrance and generally hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Cronos cost will be between 17 cents to 20 cents, and the most probable Cronos cost will in a real sense be genuinely consistent at around 19 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cronos' sort of wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its naturally threatening energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Cronos will for the most part reach 20 cents toward the finish of 2024, or by and large mid-2024. Cronos value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists especially foresee that CRO will begin the year at 23 cents and exchange around 29 cents. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This by and large is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, or so they really thought. Cronos value expectation 2026 there in a real sense is a generally excellent possibility that Cronos 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme 36 cents level. Cronos basically is really anticipated to basically arrive at an unsurpassed kind of high of 35 cents or 36 cents in 2026, and it could generally be the time of Cronos. Cronos Value Forecast 2027. Cronos Value Expectation, or CRO, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it generally has the exceptionally potential to accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Cronos' cost generally is supposed to outperform 36 cents in 2027, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. It has been explicitly anticipated that Cronos will arrive at the greatest cost of 36 cents, and the base cost is supposed to generally be around 30 cents in the following a long time from 2027. In an unpretentious manner, Cronos estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists in every practical sense say that Cronos value expectation and specialized examination. Cronos is supposed to generally cross a value level of 42 cents in 2028 in a very significant manner. In the meantime, Cronos really is supposed to explicitly arrive at a truly least cost of 38 cents this year in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely greatest cost might reach 43 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cronos CRO value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cronos value expectation and specialized examination generally foresee that the expense of Cronos will for the most part reach 58 cents, and the cost of CRO ought to reach 58 cents before the year is over, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Also, CRO can basically reach up to 53 cents in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will fundamentally bring huge years for Cronos development. CRO value expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Cronos value expectation are supposed to cross the 82 cents all things considered, normal cost level, as per Cronos conjecture, and specialized examination in a kind of enormous manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Cronos' base cost especially is supposed to by and large be 77 cents. Moreover, CRO can basically arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of 83 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, Cronos will have a typical cost of 83 cents. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift in an essentially significant manner. Cronos value expectation 2031. Cronos cost is assessed to reach $1.09 by 2031, at extremely least, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.13 all through 2031. Cronos' worth could come to $1.14 at its most elevated, which is very huge. The experts most certainly anticipate that the greatest cost should exchange around $1.13. Cronos estimate 2032. Out of 2032, Cronos will attempt to for the most part arrive at the least degree of $1.48. It might for the most part attempt to get the greatest and next in every practical sense top level of $1.54, with the typical estimate cost of $1.51 fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. It might break the past high and go ahead to its extremely next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we foresee it will arrive at its truly next level. Be that as it may, it might dump. Moreover, what will be the essential